Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid box. Grid boxes are a powerful way to organize content on your web page, arranging elements into rows and columns. They offer a flexible and responsive layout, adapting well to different screen sizes. We will focus on using CSS Grid, a modern and efficient method for creating these two-dimensional layouts with ease and precision. Let's get started. First, you need to define your grid container. This is the parent element that will hold all your grid items. Simply apply the CSS property display, grid, to this element. This single declaration transforms the element into a grid container, establishing a new grid formatting context. All its direct children will then automatically become grid items, ready for precise placement within your layout. Next, design your grid structure by defining its rows and columns. Use grid template columns to specify the vertical tracks and grid template rows for the horizontal tracks. For example, grid template columns, 1FR, 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 creates 3 equal width columns. The FR unit, or fractional unit, ensures flexible sizing, distributing available space proportionally. This gives you precise control over your layout's dimensions. Finally, position your individual grid items within the defined grid. Use properties like grid column and grid row to specify where each item begins and ends. For instance, grid column 1/3 makes an item span from the first to the third column line. Items can easily span multiple rows or columns, allowing for complex and dynamic layouts. You can even overlap items for creative visual effects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.